Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix spacebar or enter key is not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your spacebar and enter key is not working, then I will show you simple methods to fix your issues. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Systems. Come to the right section, scroll down a little bit and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down a little bit, you can see your keyboard. Just you need to click on Run. After that, just close this window. And the second method is just you need to click on Start menu. Again you need to click on Settings. In left section you can see here Accessibility. Just click on this. Scroll down a little bit. You can see here Keyboard. Just click on this. If it is turned on sticky keys and filter keys and toggle keys, you just need to turn off all this. If it is enabled, just disable this all. After that, just close this window. And the third method is just right click on the Start menu, click on Device Manager. In this you need to find Keyboard. Just double click on that, right click and click on Update Driver. Click on second option, Browse my computer for drivers. Just click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select this driver and click on Next and close. After this you need to restart your computer. After restarting, check whether the problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, again you need to click on Start menu, click on Settings, or you just need to type here Device Manager. Click on Device Manager. Double click on the keyboard. Right click on the driver. Click on Uninstall device. Click on Uninstall. After uninstalling, you just need to restart your computer or laptop. After restarting your computer or laptop, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix spacebar or enter key is not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.